Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the YouTube connect problem or the internet problem in YouTube. To fix that, so for this you have to click on the three dot button from here, then you have to click on the settings, then you have to click on the privacy and security, then you have to click on the delete browsing history, and you have to check all of the item here, I mean the browsing history and the cookies and other site data, and make sure the time range is to all time. Then you have to click on the clear data, and after that you have to restart the browser. So that you can fix this after following this steps. But if it don't get fixed, then what you need to do is click on the start button, then you have to search for the settings, and you have to click on the settings from here. And after you click on the settings, it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the network and internet, then you have to click on the VPN from here, and here you will see all the VPN that you are currently using in your computer. So for this, if you need VPN you are currently using, you have to disconnect the VPN from here, and after that you have to get back to the Chrome browser, and then you have to see that if the YouTube is working or not. And if it still don't work, then what you need to do is you have to click on the new incognito window from here, and then you have to search for the YouTube, and it will most likely to get fixed. But if it don't get fixed again, you can change your browser. For example, if you are currently using Google Chrome, then you can use the Microsoft Firefox or the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, I mean the Mozilla Firefox and the Microsoft Edge for different browsers, and that's how you can fix the issue. So that's how you can fix the issue. So thank you very much for watching this video.